Hey there, smart shoppers. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have a razor-sharp showdown between two grooming essentials. On the left, we have the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades, and on the right, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR pack of 4. Get ready for a close shave of comparisons. Let's start with the price, shall we? The Philips Norelco OneBlade replacement blades come in at $24, while the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR pack of 4 are priced at $23. It's a close call, but hey, every dollar counts, right? Now let's talk durability. The OneBlade replacement blades claim to last up to 8 months, based on 2 full shaves per week. That's some serious longevity. On the other hand, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges suggest replacing them every 2 months for that fresh and clean shave. So it's a trade-off between long-lasting blades and optimal hygiene. Choose your battle, folks. When it comes to performance, both products mean business. The OneBlade replacement blades by Philips Norelco can trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Plus, they have a glide coating and rounded tips for a comfortable shave. Meanwhile, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges offer an alcohol-based cleaning solution that not only cleans your shaver, but also provides optimal hygiene. Oh, and did I mention the refreshing lemon fresh scent? It's like a spa day for your face. Versatility is the name of the game here. The OneBlade replacement blades can be used dry or wet with foam, and they're even shower-friendly, so you can groom on the go without any worries. The Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges, however, work with any Clean&Charge unit to give you a fresh, clean, and hygienic shave every day. It's like having a personal barber in your bathroom. Time for some bonus features. The OneBlade replacement blades offer a subscribe and save option, allowing you to save up to 15% on future blade replacements. That's a sweet deal. On the other hand, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges boast high-energy lubricants that maintain your shaver's best performance. It's like giving your razor a power boost. The online reviews for both products are generally positive. Reviewers praise the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades for their versatility, long-lasting performance, and affordability. On the other hand, the Braun Clean and Renew Refill cartridges are highly recommended for their hygienic cleaning solution and convenience. Overall, it comes down to personal preferences and grooming needs. Well, folks, it's time to wrap up this epic grooming battle. Both the Philips Norelco Genuine OneBlade replacement blades and the Braun Clean and Renew Refill Cartridges CCR pack of 4 have their unique strengths. It all comes down to your personal preferences and grooming needs. Remember, always buy smart. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product comparisons. Until next time, happy grooming.